Kiumia kimwe thutha wa bunge kuma gitaro kia gatagati gucemania mwena wa Embu na kuruta murugamo wigi ukinyaniria wa riboti ino, umuthi atongoria gitaro kia Rift Valley ni maiguithanirie gukinyaniria riboti ya BBI thutha wa kugia na gikaro kia hamwe. Matongoretio ni mubunge wa Kajiado ya Muhuro Katore Metito maugite maricemba gukinyaniria riboti ino kuna ni rarumbuia mukenya wa kawaida kuhitukira urimi ugitiri o ndomwe na mieke ya mbeu njithi iguru ria mangi.
We promise that we have and shall thoroughly interrogate the BBI report. The purpose of this retreat was to incessantly read, probe, discuss and analyze the report from cover to cover.
Na kuna riboti ya BBI ni irendekithia ucenjia wa icunjĩ imwe cia watho, atongoria ya ni muritie thirikari nene kuhitukira wabici ya munene wa watho guthugunda njira cia kurora icunjĩ ici, makiuga maricemba hari utabania wa kura ya maoni ona kana ndereti bunge-ini.
We ask the government to establish a mechanism through the Office of the Attorney General or a task force to expeditiously draft legislation and or amendments and forward them to Parliament or county assemblies or any other relevant institutions.
Ihinda-ini o riu atongoria kiama gia KANU na mwena wa Western makiria cikaro-ini ngurani o kumurika riboti ino maugite ni maramenyita mbaru na Kenya magirirwo gwithomera mate guthingiririo ni ateti mwena uria mekunyita mbaru.
Nataka tuwaulize wananchi wa Kenya, mnataka kuishi namna gani? Mnaona namna gani kuhusu waziri mkuu, kuhusu pia president na mambo mengine yote? Hayo yote tunataka kusema kwamba tuko nyuma ya president.
According to Article 255 of our constitution, anything that proposes to change such functions must go through a referendum. So for that one reason, BBI report must be subjected to a referendum.
Oho ni maugite riboti ino yagirire gukinyanirio kuhitukira kura ya maoni, makiuga muingi niguo ri na kiugo kia muthia. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.